This flower is said to be a well-traveled one with species scattered throughout South Asia, the Pacific, and North America. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the Magnolia Touch essential oil from doTERRA, and the common uses are aromatic, so breathing it in, as well as topical, so if you can point to it, you can roll it on there. The main benefits of Magnolia Touch is that it's calming and relaxing to the senses, may help ease anxious feelings, and promotes more clear and healthy looking skin. Who doesn't want that, right? The directions for use are rolling on a few swipes on the bottoms of your feet, under your wrists, or behind your ears for a personal fragrance that is soothing to the touch. You can also roll on to diffusing jewelry for an added aromatherapy bonus. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.